We added more actions. Did we talk about that last week? I don't think we did. We now have within our actions of a routine, we had in there to be able to send Slack messages. I've added the ability to send notifications. So your little bell notification, you can send notifications through a routine. And then also stopping a routine. If you get to a point within the routine, and let's say you're nurturing a lead, that lead finally becomes a client. Well, you don't need to run the lead nurture routine anymore. You want to start them on another, a new client routine. Well, now the stopping of a routine can be done automatically through the action of the routine activity. Along with the notification pieces, both for Slack and the bell notification, you can specify notification messages. We went ahead and also added the ability to add merge fields in there as well. So your notifications can contain information about contact information in there. So that's in there. The other thing, let me do a link. Let me double check this. Yeah. We did talk about this last week. I went ahead and added a new merge field for contact link. So that is the link, the URL to your contact for this notification. Jose asked for that to be able to link back. Whenever a notification comes up, you can click on the link for that. So that is a new merge field that gets filled in anytime you send out information. You can use that as a link back to the contact record.